all 4 of these. So find out. Thank you, Tyree. Thank you, Sanye. Let me know, Isaiah, if you got it. Christopher, let me know if you got it too. When you have it, just say I have it. And then I'll move on. While we wait, here's what I want us to do. Really, really simple. It's all about. It's kind of like unboxing, right? So let's take the wrapper off of this. Let's take the wrapper off of this. So these are your body parts and the mechanics for the legs. So one sheet looks like this. This is the body parts. So we're going to be folding these body parts, or folding these little pieces to become the body parts. Next is this, and this is just another cutout. We're going to be popping these pieces out and folding these pieces and putting little rivets inside of them, little fasteners on them to fasten them to the actual chassis. This is our chassis. This is our chassis right here. And before I go any further, I believe I have it all. Good job. Where's